Hi everyone, welcome to my overview video of Zoom H2 Essential 2.01 Firmware Update. Following the updates for its Essential Handy Recorders line, Zoom also released an update for Zoom H2 Essential Handheld Recorder, which is extending functionality of this small, versatile audio recorder even further. This new firmware update includes a bunch of completely new features. In order to update the firmware of the device, one would need to download some files from Zoom Corp H2 Essential webpage. To be exact, one would need to download firmware update file itself and two PDF files, H2 Essential Update Guide and H2 Essential version 2.0 Supplementary Manual. So what has changed? As you can see right here, as soon as the recorder is switched on, the system notifies about input volume level. Now it can be adjusted with forward and rewind buttons underneath the display. In the format section, now one can choose the option of recording in MP3 format, which can be useful for some people in some situations. And right under format, we have a new AI noise reduction section where one can activate noise reduction feature. It is also possible to activate noise reduction feature directly without going deeper in the settings menu. In that case, one just needs to press marker button and noise reduction feature will pop up on the display. Noise reduction feature based on the special noise reduction algorithm, which analyzes background noise on incoming signal from the built-in microphone capsule or connected through 3.5mm input source for several seconds before recording, and then it applies the result to the recording, therefore substantially reduces background noise level. In order to test it, as you can see right here, I've placed the recorder reasonably close to the air purifier, which is running at full speed. And of course, I've recorded two samples, one without noise reduction and one with noise reduction feature enabled. So please take a listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the recording without noise reduction feature enabled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the recording with noise reduction feature enabled. As you could hear, noise reduction feature is quite effective. It significantly reduces amount of background noise without serious deformation of the recorded signal. Now I would like to say a couple of words about WSH-2e windscreen. I was trying many different models of wind caps with my H2 Essential recorder. Some of those were quite alright, but none of those were as convenient and reliable as the original Zoom WSH-2e. As you can see right here, this windscreen tailored precisely for the H2 Essential. It made out of rubberized material covered with faux fur, which is sewn, not glued, with the thick threads onto the rubberized base. It fits the device perfectly, and most importantly, it leaves upside and the display of the recorder open and freely available for interaction. In my opinion, Zoom WSH-2e is the most important accessory, a must-have for Zoom H2 Essential, and has to come boxed with the recorder. Now I would like to present you a couple of samples I recorded recently with H2 Essential after the 2.01 upgrade. The first sample is the recording from the front stereo pair in 120-degree mode. This sample recorded in wave 32-bit float 96 kHz. The second sample is the recording I've made with H2 Essential, also in 120-degree mode, but this sample was recorded in MP3 format. Both samples were recorded with volume level set to 60%. As you could hear, the first recording sample sounds very good, natural, with great dynamics, good resolution and low background noise. The second sample, recorded in MP3 format, is also sound good, but with slightly higher noise level, reduced dynamic and resolution. After having a better look at the upgrade, I can say that 2.01 firmware update made this small handheld audio recording wonder even more magical. Besides gain adjustment and MP3 recording, there is also extended timecode support has been added. In my opinion, H2 Essential is by far the best small form factor handheld field audio recorder on the market, which is reliable, versatile and easy to use. Latest firmware upgrade made it even better all around. And that would be all for now. Thank you for watching it. Thumbs up if you liked it. Please subscribe, and I see you all next time.